Florida Lawyers Mutual Insurance Company has been vigorously defending the reputations of Florida lawyers for over 25 years. As a mutual company governed by a board of directors, who are all Florida attorneys, we have a personal and in-depth understanding of the risks faced by lawyers who practice law in the state of Florida. Florida Lawyers Mutual Insurance Company, sometimes known as FLMIC, was created by lawyers for lawyers. FLMIC was created by the Florida Bar to assure perpetual access to liability insurance in the state of Florida. This is why FLMIC is different from commercial liability insurance companies. When one of our insured lawyers is faced with a malpractice claim, FLMIC does not just settle. We provide highly qualified legal representation to vigorously defend the policyholder's reputation. AM Best has consistently recognized FLMIC's strong financial position. FLMIC was incorporated on May 27, 1987, and 14 attorneys were selected to serve on the company's initial board of directors. Ray Ferrero Jr. served as the company's chairman and president. Many attorneys credit Florida Lawyers Mutual as successfully restoring stability to Florida's liability insurance market. FLMIC's board of directors is always thinking about the future of the legal profession and embraces new trends and technologies. FLMIC endeavors to continually give back and support the legal profession by sponsoring events and activities organized by local voluntary bar associations, the Florida Bar Committees and Sections, the Florida Bar Young Lawyers Division, and other legal organizations. FLMIC offers speakers and continuing legal education programs on topics of interest to the legal community to increase lawyer competence and encourage implementation of risk management practices. The dedicated professionals at FLMIC work as a team to provide policyholders unmatched personal service.
Risk Management Services is a program that FLMIC provides to its policyholders. We help our policyholders identify risks when they practice law in the state of Florida. We also help them identify best practices that can help mitigate the chances of that risk developing into a legal malpractice claim. We do this several ways. We have individual consultations, and we also provide risk management materials to our policyholders. We have a newsletter called The Advisor that comes out 4 times a year, and also we send out risk management tips twice a month to try to remind attorneys of little things they can do to make it less risky in today's practice of law.
The underwriting department is responsible for receiving and making decisions on the applications for attorneys in private practice here in Florida. Debbie Morrison's one of the underwriters, been here over 20 years, and Kimberly Cooper, been here 12 years now.
I'm responsible for the claims department at Florida Lawyers Mutual. Our job is to handle the claims and situations that come up that involve our insureds under the lawyer's professional liability policy that they have with us.
I'm the accountant here at Florida Lawyers Mutual, and it's actually more interesting than you might think. We get to work with all the departments here and get to know a little bit about what each department does, and we're also responsible for the billing and statements for our customers and some customer service as well.
FLMIC's board of directors are all licensed attorneys. I'm a licensed attorney. We know and understand the practice risks that attorneys face every day. The practice of law is changing, and we're changing with it.
Most of our insureds are written directly, so we have the opportunity to answer questions directly. We try to make the process of applying and receiving your policies as easy as possible.
What separates Florida Lawyers Mutual's claims department from other commercial carriers' claims departments is our hands-on personal service that we give to our insureds, and we only use well-known, highly experienced defense lawyers that are well-respected throughout the state.
Florida Lawyers Mutual is an extremely well-run, financially secure company, and the mission of the company is to provide insurance for lawyers in the state of Florida, and we take that mission to heart.
Florida Lawyers Mutual, created by the Florida Bar, and we're in 25 years of operations now. It's a great company. We do one thing. We try to do it very, very well. We insure private law firms here in Florida, and we know the great defense firms as well. So we do this one thing, we take it very seriously. That's a very important thing for us.
I worked for a larger carrier prior to coming here, and we did a lot of business in Florida. And I can tell you the biggest difference when I came to Florida Lawyers Mutual is the fact that we offer a level of service that a larger carrier simply can't match. When you have a claim, for example, one of our claim professionals will come out to your office within 48 hours and sit down and talk to you about it. A larger carrier simply can't do that just from a logistics standpoint. So the level of service that you get from us is something that can't be matched by any of our competitors.
Ray Ferrero Jr. continues to serve as the company's chairman, and the tenured staff remain committed to providing direct personal service and continued stability in the professional liability insurance market. If you are a Florida lawyer evaluating your professional liability insurance needs, consider becoming a FLMIC policyholder and know you will have peace of mind now and tomorrow.